In the last video, we explained how a perfectly competitive market works in the long run. Firms earn only normal profit, prices equal marginal cost, and production takes place at the lowest average cost. On paper, this sounds almost perfect. But in paper 1 15-mark questions, you are never asked to stop at explanation. You are asked to evaluate. So the key question is this: how good is perfect competition in reality? Let's start with the advantages. One major strength of perfect competition is allocative efficiency. Because price always equals marginal cost, in both the short run and the long run, resources are allocated according to consumer preferences. The implication of P equals MC is that consumers only pay for what it actually costs society to produce, which reduces waste and misallocation of resources. Another advantage is productive efficiency. Firms produce at the minimum point of average total cost in the long run, which means goods are produced at the lowest possible cost. This usually leads to lower prices for consumers, especially in markets such as agricultural products or basic commodities. From both consumers' and society's point of view, perfect competition looks very attractive. However, these advantages come with important limitations. First, firms in perfect competition earn only normal profit in the long run. While this keeps prices low, it also means firms may lack the financial incentive to invest in research and development. As a result, product quality may remain basic, and innovation may be slow. Second, products in perfect competition are homogeneous. This limits consumer choice. While prices are low, consumers may not benefit from product differentiation, branding, or technological improvement. In this sense, low prices do not always mean it will be best for consumers. There is also the issue of realism. Perfect competition relies on very strict assumptions, such as perfect information, homogeneous products, and no barriers to entry. In reality, 9% of the markets do not meet these conditions. This means perfect competition is best seen as a theoretical benchmark rather than a realistic market structure. So how should we evaluate perfect competition overall? Perfect competition is highly efficient in theory, especially in terms of price and cost. But in reality, it may perform poorly when innovation, quality, and long-term growth matter. Therefore, whether perfect competition is desirable actually depends on the what market it is and the objectives of society. For example, if it's a market which the consumers value the choices like cell phones, then perfectly competitive market sucks. If it's the market that we don't actually care much about choices or the quality, for example like rice or noodles, then it would be nice. I hope you will enjoy this video. See you next time.